So I got this question, which I understand it is determining the monthly payment for an installment loan, but the question is asked a little bit different than we did in class, so it makes sense that we go ahead and do this. Now remember, when we got to determine the monthly payment, what we first have to do, okay, the first step is we have to figure out what the finance charge is. So we need to figure out the finance charge, and we do that using the chart. Okay, and so remember, the finance charge is the amount of money that you get charged to borrow this money and pay for something else. So we are going to use this table. So here's the table that we use for the finance charge. And remember, this table, it reads the following way. This is the amount of finance charge for every $100 that is being financed. And you need two bits of information to figure it out. You need a percent, and you need the number of payments that they're going to be. Okay, so let's look at our problem. We've got a percent, 7.5%. But then here's the difference between what we've done in class and this problem. We have the number of payments per year and 3 years. So if I have 12 payments, meaning I'm paying each month for 3 years, that means that when I combine those two things, that the number of payments is equal to 12 times 3. There are 36 payments total. All right, now I will be able to do that to figure out my finance charge. So I'm going to go back to my chart. It's 7.5%. I've got 36 payments. That means I have $11.98 of finance charge for every $100 I borrow. So $11.98 for every $100. We are financing $900. So the way we did this in class, I know the numbers here are pretty simple and you could do this in your head, but if I finance $900, how many groups of 100 is that going to be? Well, of course, that's going to be 9. So my total finance charge is $11.98 times 9, and that is $107.82. Now that we've figured out the finance charge, now we can figure out the monthly payment, which is what the problem asked for initially. So the way we calculate the monthly payment is we take the total amount of money and we divide by the number of months. The total amount of money is the $900 that we originally borrowed for whatever we were purchasing, plus the $107.82, which is the finance charge to keep it for 3 years. And then the total number of months is back up here, 12 months in a year times 3 years, that's 36. I'm going to round that to the cent. So I come over here, I got the 107.82 plus 900. I'm going to divide that by 36, and I end up with $27 and then 0.99. Actually, it's not going to be $27. That's going to round up to $28 even. So the monthly payment on that $900 loan at 7.5% for 36 months is going to be $28 a month.